My name is Edward Nilsson, and I'm an architect here visiting Kuwait. I'm formerly with the firm The Architects Collaborative, the architects of the Kuwait Fund Building, and I'm here returning at the invitation of the Dar al-Athar al-Islamiyya Museum to celebrate the history of Kuwait architecture. My colleagues, co-authors of the book on Kuwait architecture, have set up a lecture series that I made a presentation on, the building that I worked on. But I'm very happy to be back and to see the Kuwait Fund Building, which I knew about and observed in 1974, but I'm pleased to see how well it has been maintained and been an example for preserving and continuing in the future. The interest in Kuwait history of architecture, I feel, seems to be growing very much, and this building is an example to follow.